Hey guys, it's Donovan at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. Here is a 2016 V-Rod Night Rod Special. This color is called Black Denim. We actually just installed a new product. It's called Paint Protection. It's a unique product that goes over the painted parts, chrome, leather, gives you some extra protection against elements and scratches, things like that. During Dyno Certification, Wilkins invested a little over $1,500 into this bike. Again, we researched the ABS module. This one needed to be replaced, so we did that. We did a 5K service. We replaced the battery. Another fun fact on V-Rods, the battery is actually up here under the front side cover, and the fuel tank's under the seat on V-Rods. This is called the air box on this model. These bikes have a 1250cc Revolution style motor. It's a 60-degree V-twin versus the traditional 45-degree V-twin from Harley-Davidson. A little over 120 horse to the rear wheel. A lot of fun. Inverted front forks, dual front disc. This model in particular, I can personally attest to the way it was treated. It was purchased by a great friend of Wilkins, and he took very good care of it. He has multiple Harley-Davidsons, and I know he took very good care of this bike, and it has been serviced with us the last couple services. In particular, this has the Harley-Davidson passenger backrest and luggage rack, has some Vance & Hine slip-ons, and actually has Willie G Harley-Davidson heated hand grips, which is a little uncommon for this model, so a nice little feature for cruising and comfort. The ergonomics on the Night Rod are a little different. You kind of sit into the bike a little bit more, nice lumbar support. This is the factory seat, kind of forward controls here. Another feature of the Night Rods, it's all blacked out. As you can see, engine covers, exhaust, heat shields, mirrors, fork tubes, rims, a lot of blacked out, sinister kind of styling on this bike. Give us a call. I'd love to visit with you some more, get you some more details. Come down, check it out in person. 802-476-6104 is the number at the shop. This is 2016 VRS CDX Night Rod Special.